here in the front. You got to appreciate the numbers are a bit hard to see for these solids up here in the box. You got to wait till they come round to see who's our man in the green shirt there getting up a bit wide from trying to go around the other bike here, but seen up in the shrubbery, so he's charging along. Darren's been rotating. And 28 here at L, he's out there doing it for the girls as well. So pretty comfortable lead from Steve John. Must be a pretty intimidating thing to be out on one of these things going around at the beach. And still Troy Hawkins there out in a nice comfortable lead. Still Michelle there running in fourth spot there, and them starting to close in on Steve John. Check the flag to get down here. Hard to call whether he got there first before Darren or not.